Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyan Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to solve this problem in Python certification course. So here we have a site called edubay.org where you can uh, first complete the course, then we can go for Python certification. So I am preparing for Python certification. So I thought, why don't I solve these problems so that it will be useful for others. Okay. So here he is saying that he is asking to evaluate this expression by giving some x value and print the y value. Okay. So here he is asking to write the code here. So we can evaluate this expression using the brackets. Okay. So let's try that. Y equal to 1 by, let's put brackets here. Okay. X plus, okay, again bracket 1 by, again bracket x plus 1, okay, by, again bracket here x plus 1 by x, right? So total 5 brackets should be there, right? Okay. So same thing we can try here in the notepad plus so that we can see the brackets, right? So let's copy here. So this is okay, then this one is okay, right? So this one is for this one for internal one. Okay, guys. So this expression is correct. Okay, then we'll try to give some numbers and see. So here is saying that for input 1, expected output is this one, and for input 10, y is expected is this one, and input 100 expected is this one, and minus 5 we should get this one, right? So let's try for 1 first. Here, okay, let me run it again. Yeah, let me give 1. So output is this. So it is matching here, right? Okay, next we'll give one more input. Let's say now 100. Okay, so this is the outputs, and we'll try for minus 5 now. So this is the output. Okay, so in the certification exam also we'll get some scenarios like this. So we have to apply the brackets and evaluate the expression. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyan Tutorials for more such certification videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.